Welcome back, dear students. Our another session. Continuing the chapter integers, we have the next exercise is exercise 1.3, and we have the very first question is find each of the following products. So products means what, children? Products means we have to multiply the given numbers or those numbers, right? Yes. We will see one by one. Yes. Here, first I have to clarify the what is the multiplication process. Yes. See here, any two numbers means one is positive number into or product, another one is positive number. Means we have the result what in terms of a positive sign, right? Yes. And we have the one negative number and another negative number means we have to get the sign is what? Plus. See here, two same signs we have to get what here? The positive sign. Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, right? And we have plus into minus. What will the sign here? It will be minus. And what is minus into plus is minus, right? So this is the multiplication process. We have to do one by one, and the remaining examples here, the given examples here. So first one in your exercise 1.3, the first question is 3 into minus 1. Yes. We'll see here. See here, the first question, 3 into bracket of minus 1. See, the 3 behind there is no signs means we have to assume that there will be plus sign, right? So, plus into minus. So, we have to multiply first those numbers. Yes. 3 into 1 is 3, right? Then, so what is the sign behind these two numbers? So it is a plus, here minus. So plus into minus is minus, right? Yes. The next question. Minus 1 into 225. Yes. What is 1 into 225? Is simply 225. See here. Here the minus and here is plus means minus into plus is minus 225. Yes. And third one, see, minus 21 into minus 30. So what is a minus 21 into minus 30 first? Yes, there will be 0, the answer, because here is 0, right? So minus 21 into minus 30 is 630, right? Yes, 630. Then minus into minus, see here, minus into minus becomes plus. Yes. See this minus 316 into minus 1. So it is a 316 is the answer. Then minus into minus is a plus 316. Yes. Come to the next part. E minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. So any number into 0 means what here? 0 only. Yes. Minus 15 into 0 is 0. Into this minus 18 also becomes what? 0 simply. Yes. Now come to F part. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Yes. What is the minus 12 into minus 11? Tell me 12 into 11. So 12 into 11 is simply 132, right? And what will be the signs here? Minus into minus is a plus. So plus 130. So into 10 means what here? 1320, right? Yes. So coming to the next question. D 9 into minus 3 into minus 6, right? Yes. So what is the 9 3s are? 9 3s are 27, right? So plus into minus is a minus. So into minus 6, keep as it is. Yes. So what is a 26 into 6? 27 into 6. So 27 into 6 is a simply 162, right? So minus into minus becomes plus. Yes. Next one. H. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. We have to product multiply first these two numbers, right? Yes. What is 18 into 5? So 18 into 5 is a 90. So minus into minus is plus. So into minus 4, keep as it is, means what is 90 into 4 is a 360, right? So it is plus here, then plus into minus means minus 360, correct? Yes. So now come to the I question. Yes, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. See here, there are four numbers is there. See here, the group 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yes. So we have to do first this one. What is a minus 1 into minus 2? So 2 ones are 2, right? Or 1 twos are 2. So simply it is a 2. So what is minus into minus is plus. Yes. So into and write minus 3 as it is. Then minus 4. Yes. Now tell me 2 into 3 is a 6. See here. Plus into minus is a minus 6. Then this into 4 means it's a 6 fours are 24. So which sign come here? Minus 6, and here plus means a minus into plus is a minus 24, right? Yes. So next one. See this one. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So we have to do first these two, right? Yes, then again these two. So 6 threes are 18, right? So minus into minus is plus. Into keep this minus 2 and this minus 1. Yes. So tell me. 18 twos are simply see here. This one is minus 2, right? 18 twos are 36. So plus into minus is a minus 36. So into keep as it is minus 1 again. So 36 into 1 is 36. So minus into minus becomes what here? Plus. Or you can do else directly. Yes. 3 6 are 18, minus into minus is a plus 18. So 18 twos are 36. So 36 ones are 36. Okay, you can do directly. But you have to follow these steps is the correct way to finding out our what products or multiplication process, right? Yes. Yes. We have the another question here. Question number 2. Verify the following. First one A. So this one you have to solve here. See, in this type of questions, there will be two parts here. One is LHS part, another one is RHS part, right? This one is LHS part, and this one is RHS part. So this question is based on the distributive property, right? Yes. What is a distributive property? A into B plus C is what here? A into B plus A into C, right? A into B plus A into C. So we have to solve. So first we have to solve this LHS part. What is LHS part here? 18 into, yes, 18 into 7 plus bracket of minus 3, right? So we have to solve here. So 18 into, so what is here in the bracket? So we have to solve first in the bracket factors first, means here, so 7 Plus into minus is minus, so 3. So 18 into 7 minus 3 is what? 4. So 18 4s are what here? 72. So coming to the next RHS part here. So what is the RHS part? Value here 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3, right? So see, so it is on the rule of what here? The Bodmer's rule, right? So here LHS part is also on the Bodmer's rule and RHS part is also Bodmer's rule. So what is the Bodmer's? So you have to solve inside the bracket values first, right? Yes. So what is so see here the another RHS part here 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus of 3, right? So we have to solve this one 18 into 7. So it is on the Bodmer's rule, right? So Bodmer's means what here? We have to solve inside the bracket first values, right? So 18 into 7 is simply 126, right? Plus see here. What is 18 into minus 3? So 18 into minus 3 is a minus 54. Yes. See, 126, keep as it is. C. Plus into minus, what is? Plus into minus is minus, right? So minus 54. So what is 126 minus 54? What is 126 minus 54? It is simply 72, right? Yes. See here. So this LHS part answer is 72 and here RHS part is answer is also 72, means here LHS is equal to RHS, right? Yes. So coming to the next question here, second one, the B minus 21, right, into minus 4 plus of a minus 6. So we have to solve first what is inside the bracket values, right? So solve inside values here, inside bracket values here. So minus, okay, minus 21, keep as it is. So how to solve this inside the bracket values means C minus 4. So plus into minus is a minus, so 6, right? So what is minus 21 into, so what is a minus 4 and minus 6? What will become minus 4 and minus 6? So we have to add those numbers, means it is a 10. So it is minus, right? See, 21 into 10 is a 210, right? So what is minus into minus? It is a plus 210. So this is a LHS part. So what is RHS part here? So RHS part is simply minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So what is 21 into 4? So 21 into 4 is 84, right? So minus minus becomes plus 84. Yes. So now it is, so minus 21 into minus 6 is simply 126, right? Yes. So what is 84 plus 126 is 210. So this is also similar to the part A we have. So LHS is equal to RHS. Yes. Yes. Coming to the third question. For any integer A, what is a minus 1 into A equal to? So see this third question. We have the possible values are here, or you can write the some integers. So what are those integers? 0, 1, 2, 3. Then it's a minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1, right? So these are all Yes. Now we have in this type of question, we have the three possible results. One is minus 1 into a. What is here? Minus 1 into minus a. So it is simply plus a, right? Ah, yes. So next, what is the next? Minus 1 into 0. So any number into 0 means it is a 0, right? So what is a minus 1 into a? It is minus a. So in this type of question, so we have the three possibilities. That was, first one is a minus 1 into minus a is a plus a. Minus 1 into 0 is a 0. Of course, any number into 0 is 0. So minus 1 into a is a minus a. Let's move on to the next sub question here. That was the second one. The second one is determine the integer whose product with the minus 1 is. Yes, we have to multiply this minus 1 into this given numbers, right? Yes. That was second one. So what are the given numbers? First, it is first one is a is a minus 22. So what we have to do here? We have to product this with minus 1, right? So what is a minus 21 into minus 1? And what is a 37 into minus 1? And what is a 0 into minus 1? So like this. See, the given number is minus 22. So what is the minus 22? So minus 22 into minus 1 is simply what? 22. So minus into minus becomes what? Plus, right? So what is second? B. So the B here 37, right? So 37 into the given term is, you have to multiply into minus 1. Same. So it is a 37 into 1 is a 37. See here, this one is a plus 37 and this one is a minus, means plus into minus is minus 37. And the C part is 0. So it's a 0 into minus 1. So you already know any number into 0 is always 0, right? So that's it. Okay. So move on to the next question is starting from minus 1 into 5. So we have to start from where here? Minus 1 into 5. Write various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. So we have to start from a minus 1 into 5 up to what? Up to where? Minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. Yes. So we have to solve here. So the given condition is, for the fourth question, starting from what? Minus 1 into 5 up to where? The resultant, the end resultant, minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. This is the question. Yes. So starting from minus 1 into 5. So simply we have to start a minus 1 into 5. What is a minus 1 into 5? The product of minus 1 into 5 is a minus 5, right? So next I will take the number minus 1 into 4. So it is minus 4, right? So minus 1 into 3. So it is minus 3, right? So see here. I'm taking here 4, 5, 4, 3. Why? See here, in a number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm coming to the from 5 to 4, 3, 2, 1, then minus 1, right? 0, then minus 1, right? Then we will get the last result is minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1, right? So minus 1 into 2 is simply a minus 2. So minus 1 into 1 is a minus 1. So minus 1 into 0 is a 0. Now minus 1 into minus 1 is what? Plus 1, right? Minus into minus 1. So this is what the questions here. Answer here.